Look at that shine, man. How's it going, guys? My name is Attila and this is Masterpiece. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to attempt to make my fourth project, and I bought a piece of beautiful Iroko. Look at this beauty. So the idea is I am going to cut a small piece out of it and turn a goblet. Let's do that.
Here's what I like. Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts so then we take a ride. Wherever, I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always. If you look at the trouble, here's what I like. Jumping from a roof that is almost too high. Laying on the grass, I close my eyes. Playing my guitar till my fingers are numb. I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always. What I like, laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts so then we take a ride. Wherever, I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away.
Okay, today is really not my day, but I wanted to make the piece out of two different colors. Anyway, so I'm going to make the base now, glue them together and see how it turns up.
Laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts so then we take a ride. Wherever, I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight pieces falling. I'm not backing down. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. Here's what I like. Jumping from a roof that is almost too high. Laying on the grass, I close my eyes. Playing my guitar till my fingers are numb. I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight pieces falling. I'm not backing down. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle.
Got a feeling that I let you slip away, and maybe I can say this out. Could I be so stupid? Yeah, I feel so useless. You deserve better than this, and I will try to fix it. Take me back into your arms. I wanna dance with you, my love, and be next to you beneath the stars. Give me one more chance, my love. Take me back into your arms. I wanna dance with you, my love, and be next to you beneath the stars. Give me one more chance, my love. Give me one more chance. Give me one more chance. I promise I'll try. Try to make you happy, be the best I can be. Oh, 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 oh. I'll do everything for ya. Ain't nothing that I wouldn't do, 'cause you deserve better than this. And I will try to fix it. Take me me one more chance, my love. Take me back into your arms. I wanna dance with you, my love, and be next to you beneath the stars. Give me one more chance, my love. Give me one more chance. Give me one more chance. Got a feeling that I let you slip away, and maybe I can say this out. Could I be so stupid? Yeah, I feel so useless. You deserve better than this, and I will try to fix it. Take me back into your arms. I wanna dance with you, my love.
So here we go, guys. It's finished. Look at that strange shine on it. I've never seen anything like this. So I tried to make it a little bit more interesting with these. Kind of like a natural edge, but not really. Because I made these cuts into the wood. I like it, but the only thing I would do differently, I would make this one thinner, much more elegant looking if it's thinner. But this is very soft wood. I was afraid I'm going to break this, and obviously if I break it I will end up with nothing. So thank you for watching, guys. That will be the end of this video. I try to make it a little bit shorter this time. If you have some spare likes, can you please put it on the video for me, and subscribe to my channel because the next video already on the way. I will make some proper picture of this and put it at the end of the video. And thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.